Hi and welcome back to another Tech Minds video. So if you've ever thought about operating on the 4 meter 70 MHz band, then you've probably done some research on available radios. Now wind it back a few years and you was probably looking at the Philips FM1000 or the Ascom SE550. Now those radios are commercial PMR equipment which needed to be modified to work on the 4 meter ham bands. Then along came the FT847, which was the first commercial ham radio piece of equipment which could be modified for 4 meters use. Around 2014, a monoband 70 megs SSB and CW radio surfaced, manufactured by Noble Radio, which is still used worldwide today. Now fast forward to today, and most SDR-based transceivers will have 4 meter coverage as standard, such as the ICOM 7300 and the FT-DX10 by Yaesu. Now obviously these radios are not cheap, especially if you just want 4 meter usage. Well, here comes the Chinese radios to the rescue. So this radio is an Anytone AT-288, a low-band handheld transceiver covering from 66 to 88 MHz with broadcast band receive thrown in. Now this radio will only do FM, so no SSB, but it will get you on the 4 meter band without much of an outlay. Now this radio has been around a while, and I'm a bit late to the party to show this radio working, but it was in my collection and I wanted to do a video on it. It costs around 80 UK pounds brand new and most likely a lot cheaper on the second hand market. So the AT-288 is a great introduction to 4 meters FM operation. So the radio itself has a fairly familiar layout with a numeric keypad on the front which also acts as quick access to changing the radio's functions. Now on the left side of the radio we find the PTT and 2 function buttons which can be programmed as required. On the right hand side we find the speaker mic socket which also acts as a programming port if you have the correct cable, and software to program the radio's inbuilt 128 memory channels. The included antenna is a rubber duck style antenna which easily screws on top of the radio. The single rotary control on top of the radio controls the power and the volume. The 2-line backlit LCD will show you the current talking frequency on the top line and the current broadcast band receive frequency on the bottom. Now you can only have one of these selected at a time. Now changing frequency can be done by pressing the up and down arrow buttons, and the frequency steps can be set in menu. Direct frequency entry can be entered using the keypad to save pressing the arrow keys multiple times if required. Now each of the keypad buttons have a function associated with them for quick access. Simply press the func button once and then the relating keypad button to quickly access that function. For example, to change the power level, simply press the func button and then press the key number 9. Now the Anytone AT-288 is a great radio with excellent receive audio and transmit audio. It's also very small in size and fits really nicely in the hand. In fact, I had mine in my pocket when I went out for a recent walk. Now on my walk up Combe Hill in Buckinghamshire, which has a rather nice takeoff in all directions, I put a call out on 70.450 FM, which is the UK calling frequency, and I managed a QSO with someone around 40 miles away just using the rubber duck on the radio.
Yeah, this is M0DQW, Mike 0 Delta Quebec Whiskey. Very good afternoon, sir. The name here is Matt, Mexico Alpha Tango.
M0DQW, M0DQW. Shall we, if it's me you're coming back to, shall we QSY 425? 425?
Yep, QSY 425, no problem at all.
Please, M6OBM portable inquiry.
Yeah, M6OBM, Mike 0 Delta Quebec Whiskey, M0DQW. Name here is Matt. Currently portable with a handheld radio up at Combe Hill in Buckinghamshire. Go ahead.
M6OBM, yeah, okay there, Matt. Don't move. I guess you're using the antenna on the radio as well there. Yeah, the name is Glenn, Golf Lima Yankee November, Glyn, and the location is Coombe Gibbet on the Berkshire Downs, between Newbury and Andover. Andover, Matt, back to you.
Well, I don't think that was too bad of a QSO, which incidentally was around 60 kilometers away, which is around 40 miles. Now, the Anytone AT-288 only puts out 5 watts, and using the compromised rubber duck on top of the radio, I think it performed quite well. Now, of course, this type of radio could also be used mobile or even at home with an external antenna. Just want to say thanks to moonmakeronline.com for providing the radio. And if you guys have got one of these radios or even like a different type of radio for 4 meters, let me know what you use and what you think of it. Anyway, until the next video, thanks for watching, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.